Do you often pull bins and containers? Zallys M12 Electric Tug is a game changer. Simply attach the first container to the tug and then connect the various containers together. Zallys M5 makes container handling as easy as child's play. Not only do you save sore muscles, but also a tremendous amount of time. Zallys M5 can pull containers up a gradient with ease, and its adjustable tiller provides great ergonomic comfort. Our electric tug is suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, being the perfect solution for increasing productivity safely. Zallys, less effort, more power. It has never been so easy to collect shopping carts. All you need is the Zallys M9 electric cart mover with remote control. Simply attach the shopping carts to the cart mover. With just one hand you can steer the carts in the right direction, and with the other use the remote control to move the electric cart, while Zallys M9 does all the rest. The cart mover is suitable for both indoor and outdoor operations. It is easy to use and moves carts safely even on long distances. Easy operation and the adjustable tiller provide great ergonomic comfort, making Zallys M9 the perfect solution for increasing productivity safely. Zallys, the silent force. Do you need to pull heavy loads every day? With Zallys M4 Electric Tug, you can move 2 containers at once to quicken handling operations and being more productive. Simply attach the containers to the electric tug and be surprised how fast your work will become. Silent and easy to use. Zallys M4 is suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, saving a tremendous amount of time in daily operations. The adjustable tiller provides great ergonomic comfort, making our electric tug the perfect solution for increasing productivity safely. Zallys, the efficient solution. Zallys M12 Electric Tug is the perfect solution for handling linen carts and roll boxes in hospitals, busy hallways, wards and even lifts. Zallys M12 can operate anywhere. Simply attach the cart and any additional carts to the tug for an easy and safe handling. You can also attach food containers, waste containers and every other wheeled cart used for logistics in hospitals. Zallys M12 is designed mainly for indoor use and can be equipped with various accessories to improve its performances and suits all your needs. Easy operation and the adjustable tiller provide great ergonomic comfort, making Zallys M12 the perfect solution for increasing productivity safely. Zallys, compact power.